Hello and welcome back to First Secrets. Many people say that they do not know how to create content, but that is not a big deal. First thing that you have to think about is to think your distribution methodology. And here the best thing to do is to go to Fly GTXI. And what is that? That is Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Google, X, and Instagram. And the most important thing is just go and document what you are doing, what you are good at. The thing that some people are looking for that, but they cannot find the thing that you are doing. Go and document it and make video out of that. Then go and post that video in those different social platforms. Many people will come and watch those films. From those people who watch that, maybe 10,000, 100,000, millions, 0.01 will do business with you. And if you follow this method, then you will be able to generate revenue. If you find value out of this video, don't forget to like it and also share with your friends and family members. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is Ahmad Welenge.